Hello, good evening. So, I'm recording right now to update my day. So, yesterday or last night, I have a toothache, so I didn't sleep well enough, and I noticed that I'm sleeping for around 4 to 5 hours. I usually wake up, I get awake from 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yeah, I did get up and find a hard time falling asleep again. So what I did was search for the solution. So it's probably a stress, anxiety, or probably disruption of circadian rhythm. So since that time around when I am awake is my REM sleep, so I need to wind down